Welcome back to the channel, guys. Quick little update for you. I know I've been missing for a while, but the weather's been terrible. I've had lots to do. Car's totally off the road at the moment. Alternator's gone. It's in the garage. Bit too much for me to do, so I'm letting the garage do it. I should have it back tomorrow or the day after. And I've got a really exciting video to do after that. I'm going to show you what the part is. I was going to keep it until the video, but I'm excited. So what I'm going to do is retrofit a facelift cluster into my pre-facelift ST with the correct mileage. Now I've gone with a company called Customod. I'll leave a link in the description. The way it works is you remove the old cluster, you replace it with this new one. This new cluster is set to 0 miles. They send you with the cluster a ODB cable with a switch on, and you need a laptop and 2 keys. And what they do is you allow them remote access through your laptop to manage the settings within the car, and they set your mileage, and they do everything else, so the keys start the car and the immobiliser works and everything else. And it cost the total, including postage and package, was £166, which I think was an absolute bargain, because the cheapest one of these I could find on eBay with mileage close to mine's done 66,000, just over. Had done 74,000. They wanted £200 just for the cluster. This is a fantastic bargain. So if anyone that's got a pre-facelift, have a look at the link in the description, Customods, and consider it. Another couple of things I need to talk about is the channel's called Free Jack. Everyone seems to think it's called FR33JACK. A little bit of history about it. Free Jack, with 2 3s instead of 2 E's, was my gamer tag 25 years ago playing Counter-Strike in another lifetime. So that's what it is, it's Free Jack. My actual name is Ray, so if anyone wants to speak to me, I'm Ray, Free Jack, whatever you want to call me, just call me that. Another thing is, on my remapping videos, it's been pointed out several times that the battery power was low, which is correct, it was low. I noobishly didn't have a battery stabiliser to stop the battery voltage from dropping below 12. It needs to stay above 12. So if anyone's looking at this and looking at the remapping videos, it should be at 12 volts or more while you're remapping. If it drops below, it can be dangerous. So please don't make my mistake. Use a battery stabiliser. Apart from that, I've got a list of other things I need to get done on the car. I've got my boost pipe, I've got my throttle body spacer, I've also got a front splitter to fit. These parts are coming in, but the weather, as you all know, has been absolutely shocking. So bear with me. Next video in a few days, when I get the car back, will be the installation of the new cluster. So keep a lookout for that. Thanks for sticking with me. And once the cluster's done, I was monetised a few months ago on YouTube. I don't earn a lot of money from YouTube. It's not even a wage. But I've just hit my first allowance to draw out, and if anybody knows what that is, it's not a lot. But I'm going to use it to dyno the car with the map on that I got from Postal Remaps. So keep a lookout for that. And hopefully, as the weather gets better, there'll be more and more for you to watch. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, dislike, whichever. Communicate with me. I like to talk back. So without further ado, I'll see you later.